that could spray out at any time. Use the radar to see how many fossils there are. Radar on! The radar shows that there are some dinosaur fossils here. Go look for them. Shows that there are a lot of fossils below. Let's go down and dig out fossils together.